Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. This is their fall box, and I believe the type that I get is Trendsetter, I believe. I'll put it below in the description box. But it says fall favorites, and this is $5 and the shipping's free. I heard you can get these in the store now, which I surprisingly don't have a Walmart too close to me, but I have like 3 or 4 Targets on the way to Walmart. And I know you can also buy Target beauty boxes in store now, so maybe they both do that. But here's the first item I'm pulling out. It's by Jergens, which I really like their lotion. And this is lavender, and it says it has essential oils, which I didn't know they made this, so that's really cool. And I could always use lotion. Next up, I have a perfume sample called Silhouette. And I will take a whiff of that and see what it smells like. It doesn't smell too bad. I'm not sure it's personally something I would have chose, but it does say there's some fruity scents, grapefruit, mandarin, followed by floral notes, and I think that's what I'm smelling, and I don't really care for it. I mean, it's not bad. It's not something that, like, I'm gonna throw away or whatever. I'll still use it. And then we have a razor, which I feel like a lot of the boxes include this. Can't even be mad at that, because razors are expensive. So this one's nice hot pink color by Chic Intuition. Next I have NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup, and the shade is Cashmere Silk. I'm not going to swatch this because I have so many lippy products. I don't want to waste it. I'll probably pass this on to a friend, but nice color though. And then looks like the last item is by Hard Candy. Super reflective there. And this is a long wear primer. It says 12-hour wear. That's a pretty good size of that. And then we normally have advertisements, sometimes freebies or coupons down here at the bottom. So it looks like we have advertisement for Jergens. Here's one for the perfume, and there's a couple different ones. I like the bottles though, those are pretty cool. No coupon there. And then one for NYX. And no coupon there. So sometimes there is, but sometimes there isn't. But for only $5, I mean, it's definitely worth the value. I mean, that probably covers the razor alone. I did get a sample, a couple samples, full-size item, and then another decent sample. So that's what I got. So this mails automatically. It's kind of a subscription that's quarterly of sorts. So I will put all the information below in case you want to check out the website and sign up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.